Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change language in Taobao app. So without being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you have to download this application if you haven't already. I've already downloaded this application, so I'm just going to open it up. And you just have to agree to everything. And now if you are located in an English speaking country, it should change the language to English already. If it doesn't change it, you just have to click on this profile icon here and log in into your account through Google or Facebook. And once it sees your location on these accounts, it's going to change the language to the country you have set on your Google or Facebook or Apple account. So yeah guys, this is how you technically change your language on Taobao app. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon.